So now we have the dog down on the footer. The next thing we need down there to join him is the title of the Minisite, project Minisite there. So we need to just find the two layers that have that text on, which are these two, and we'll just, holding down shift we can select one, holding down shift we can select the other one. With the move tool selected and holding down alt as before, we just move these two layers. We can see we create the copy as we did with the dog, and as we did before we'll just rename the layers. That's to avoid confusion if we ever need to re-edit these. Project footer, Minisite footer. So I'll just hold down shift to select both of these layers again, and we'll link them together just for ease of use later. So I just have one selected now, that's all I'll need to edit these. To make this smaller, what we'll do is we'll just press Ctrl and T, our new favourite keyboard shortcut, and grabbing one of the corner handles, and of course holding down shift to constrain the size. I'll just show what happens if I don't hold shift down. Actually, it allows you to stretch it not just vertically and horizontally at the same time. It allows you to do each stretch independently, and you're not going to get exactly what you want. I mean, that's great if you want to stretch something and make it taller or whatever, but for the purpose of when you want to actually just size something down but make sure that the proportions remain the same, then holding shift down is what you want to be doing. So I'll just undo that so we get back to our original size, and holding down shift we'll just size that text right down, and I'll drag it down onto the footer so we get a better idea of how big it wants to be. Maybe that's a little bit large, something like that. It's entirely up to your own preference. You can have it larger if you want, or even smaller. I'm going to go for something around about there, maybe a bit smaller. Oh, I am fussy. That's fine. Enter, and now we have the text on the footer, and looking very, very nice indeed. We're almost there. What I'm just going to do is finish off the footer by adding a gradient to it, and we'll just quickly do that in the next video.